Damn, instant breather. Oh my. You make it look too easy. Too easy. Man, you'd have took me a couple years back. Held real high.
Deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh, burn. I don't even think I feel this. Oh, bro. Awesome. Whoa. Instant relief. Needed that.
Do you feel that stretch right there?
Big time, oh yeah.
Good. I'm gonna hold it there for a second. Decompressing your spine.
Ah! Oh. Wow. My airflows, my breathing. I never, ever had that feeling. Wow, amazing, doctor. A1. It's my day one right here, y'all.
Bend down, I want to see how is it feeling.
Bend down?
Yes.
Toes?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I couldn't do that at all.
Downstairs, I remember.
Couldn't do that at all.